Hello beautiful people, I hope you're doing well and welcome back again to our channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions, any video requests, make sure to drop on below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back and I missed you. If you have any comments, any video requests, make sure to drop on below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you as well, same as the over 100 videos I made now in Shopify customization. They were mostly requests from subscribers and some people not even subscribers. But I'm fine with that. Just a like button would help me out and I would really appreciate it. And actually, if you are willing to be an expert in Shopify customization, I would recommend you to subscribe to the channel. I don't sell anything. I don't have any courses or anything like that. All the videos I made, I post them for free on YouTube. You just have to skip around with ads. That's normal for all videos on YouTube, I guess. Anyway, in this video, which is another request again, I will show you how to center the featured collection title on your Shopify store. And yes, this was a request. Actually, it was requested like a week ago or something, but I have like many requests. So if you requested something today, it will take a week or maximum 10 days to be posted because there is already a list of requests I have to make. So I'm in delay here, yeah. And no worries, I do all of this as free again. I have all the things where I make more money. I do actually survive on it. This channel, I just doing it out of love. Let's just say it like that. Anyway, let's just go talking and show you how to center the featured collection title on your Shopify store. As you can see, this is the Shopify dashboard in here, and they have down theme as the main one, which is the one I do demonstration on, in the videos, and they have the 15 version, which is the last one. But below it here, I have other themes as well, which is Taste, Sense, Refresh, Spotlight, and Trade. If you are wondering why is that, because I do actually try my tricks behind the scenes, not in the videos, so I don't bore people. I do try them on all of these themes in here. So I would make sure, even if you're not using down, you're using one of these, it should work for you just fine. And even if it didn't, just drop me a comment. I will be happy to help you out and provide you with the accurate information to fix the thing or do the thing you're trying to do. So as I said, even if you are using one of these, it should work for you just fine because I do try it on these themes as well. Same on this video as well. So for the second time, let's just quit talking and show you how to center the featured collection title on your Shopify store. So let me show you what I'm talking about first. By the way, if you are interested in adding search bar like this, instead of search icon, you don't have to click on it. It will show search bar like this, or changing the color for the count bubble on the card. Make sure to check out my channel. I already made that videos and it's already posted. And it was a request again by subscribers too. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This one, featured products, as you can see. And it's a little bit smaller. You can make it in the center. In this video, I will show you how to make it in the center and also change the size as well. Because it's a little bit small, so in the center will not look good. If you can make it a little bit bigger than this, then it's gonna look good. And you will see that in this video. And we will do that by the same code, no worries. So we'll keep this open, we'll do the trick, come back and see it in action. So the first thing you're going to do is, as always, click on the three dots on left of customize and click on edit code. Then it will take you to the code editor in here. Then use the search bar top left corner because we need to find a specific file in here. And again, I have to repeat this in each one of my videos because people keep asking, I can't find this, I can't find that. Anyway, you will be either base.css or theme.css or style.css. But most of the cases, it's either base or theme. In some custom themes, it's gonna be custom.css, I think, but mostly base.css or theme.css or style.css. In my case, I know it's base, so I'm gonna type in base, and here we go. Base.css is gonna be in the assets folder, as you can see. Simply click on it. Then we need to scroll all the way down because it's a huge file. Let me drag this. Here we go. So now we are at the bottom of the file and we need a completely new line, nothing on it, to paste in some code in here. In order to do that, simply click front of the closing bracket, hit enter, and here we go. We're on a new line in here because we're gonna paste in a code, as I said. In order to get that code, you need to hire a developer, pay him, wait 24 hours, then he will provide you with the code, then see if it works or not. No worries. I got you on this. Just scroll down the description box and you will see a link, name it as code. Click on it, then it will take you to this page right here where you're gonna see this code that will do the trick, as you can see. And as I said, this will make it in the center and will change the size. So you see font size 70 in here. So you can, if you want it bigger, increase the number, sorry. If you want it smaller, decrease the number. That's really simple, right? So then select the whole code. I mean, the first thing you're gonna do is select the code, then increase or decrease. So anyway, right click, then copy. After you selected the whole code, get back in here and paste it at the bottom of the page. I'm gonna keep it as 70 just for demonstration. Then click on the save button. After a couple of seconds, here we go. Save it. We get back in here, reload the page, and here wow, that's huge. That's huge. Anyway, you get the idea, right? As you can see, it's right now in the center of the page, and it's in different size as well. So you can make it bigger or smaller, however you want. And that's how you center the featured collection title on your Shopify store. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.